Have you ever wondered how a tweet really stands out on X? Today, I'm not going to give you theories. I'll show you how it actually works. This is how all the influencers get noticed or go viral. No long explanations, no unnecessary details, just clear results. Let's get started. I'll use one of my own tweets as an example. What I did, how I did it. You'll see everything here. The main focus here is visibility. People look at the number of impressions first, and that number quietly decides if they'll engage or not. In this video, I'll show you how I increased the impressions and how I managed it through xboost 360. That way, your tweet will reach not only your followers, but a much wider audience. So it's not just about posting a tweet, it's about making sure it gets noticed the right way. Getting the algorithm to recognize your content. I'll walk you through the process step by step on the site. First, you log in, then select the category and service you want. In this video, we'll try the impression service. After selecting the service, you paste the link and enter the quantity. Then you complete the order, and the impressions start coming in immediately. As you can see, after watching this video, you can be sure your tweets won't go unnoticed anymore. And if you found this useful, don't forget to check out more tips and tools on xboost 360. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more insights, and stay tuned for the next video where we dive even deeper into boosting your social media presence. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.